how to use Uniswap with Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bivin Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Uniswap with Trust Wallet. Well, first things first, you can open up your Trust Wallet, right? Then here what you want to do is you want to head into the browser section. At the bottom right, you can see Discover, and from the search bar, you want to head into app.uniswap.org. So app.uniswap.org and head to search. From here you'll be headed to Uniswap, right? Now you can see you can now connect it easily. So you can see the connect tab there, right there on the screen. You can see connect wallet as well, and you can see trust wallet option. You can tap on it and you can tap on connect and you'll be able to connect it. Now as you can see, it's getting connected, and now it's connected. Now from here you can swap, you can buy on using Uniswap on your trust wallet. So this is how you can use or connect Uniswap with Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.